In this video, I'm going to be repairing a 2024 FMF Fatty 300 pipe, which got crushed on the underside here when the bike hit a tree. And this is the setup I'm going to use to repair my pipe. It's HydraForce hydraulic blowout kit. I've used the pump many times, and HydraForce sent me a new set of their latest design bungs, which I'm using today. You can see here the silencer end bung. I've had no problems with previous versions, so that's always been reliable. What I did have problems with is the header bung. And I found that with the original version, the O-ring would blow out and you'd lose pressure. So this is the first time I'm using the latest design one, so we'll see how well that works. And the pump is the original one. I've had no problems with that. And I should note that it's extremely important for safety that you bleed all air out of the system before applying pressure to it. I highly recommend reading the HydraForce instructions. I also made a video showing how to bleed air out. I'll provide a link to that video in the description of this one. And as you can see, this area of the pipe is very crushed. It's lost about half of its diameter. Also, this part has been squashed. So I'm hoping the pipe will straighten out during the repair and get a good fit. Okay, so I'm going to start the repair. You can see it's already straightening out quite a bit, returning to the original shape. And the dent is coming out. Right now I'm up to 250 psi. And that is 400 psi. About 450 now. That's taken the majority of the dent out underneath. I'm going to do some hammering now and see if that improves it. To more fully take out the dents, you could use a hammering technique. I use this type of panel beaters hammer, and you can hammer around the outside of the dent while the pipe is under pressure, and that will take out the center of the dent. You'll see it working when I do it. When doing this, it's important to wear some eye protection. I wear gloves as well, and it's quite noisy. I use some ear defenders as well. Okay, so I've got the pipe reinstalled on my 2024 KTM 300 TBI. Installed easily. I've got plenty of clearance under both radiators, and the pipe itself is looking good, almost new, ready for my ride on Sunday. I really like the HydraForce method of repairing pipes. I find it quick and easy to use and relatively safe, so long as you bleed out all of the air in the system before applying pressure. One thing I should note is I've replaced the coolant hose here, which the original one I punctured previously when I squashed a pipe on a rock, and it punctured the hose. I've replaced it with a high quality silicone reinforced hose, which I do offer for sale on the Tokyo Off-Road web shop, which you might like to purchase. I'll provide a link in the description of this video.